Here it is, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. We are going to show you installing the phone and installing it here on this spotting scope. So first off, you've got to just install the phone into the phone scope case. As you can see, we do have the adapter plate in the bottom position, and that is removable. So for your everyday use, lift up and slide down. Just make sure that post drops into that hole right there, and you'll be good to go. Take the top of the phone, slide it into the top of the phone scope case. Make sure that it is settled into those bumpers, and then you'll just come down here to the bottom, press on the back of the phone scope case, kind of like that, and then just press the phone down. Bottom camera, that's the 1x lens. So let's slide the spotting scope over here and take a look. So now we're just going to go into the phone scope camera app, select spotting scope, and then just, there you go, attach it on there. Again, we are on the 1x lens, so now you're taking pictures and video. And what's really nice is when you zoom in, the phone scope camera app doesn't try to switch cameras on you. So let me show you how easy it is to switch to the 2.5x lens using the phone scope case and phone scope camera app. So just twist that off. Again, just lift up on that. We're going to slide the disc to the top. Make sure that's in place, and switch over the camera, and there you go. Now we're shooting with the 2.5x lens. So once you're done phone scoping, take the disc, slide it down into the middle position, pop it out into your pocket, off you go.